Alright, I'm back here. We got the Temu Ratchet still working. So, we're going to try putting it in here and see if we break this or break the vise. I've broken the vise before, as y'all can see. I'll tighten this up a little bit. Okay, tighten you up. Alright. Ooh. See the carnage. Oh gosh, I put that on there tight. Let's see the carnage. Honestly, not that bad. It's honestly kind of surprising. Although this thing does sound worse now. Let's see, can I still put a socket on this thing? Right there. Yep, I can still put a socket on this thing and go right back to work. Goodness. This thing's honestly surprising me now. I didn't think it'd hold to that. I mean, other than just some scratching on this part, you know, it's doing okay. All things considered, I mean, we're going extremely hard on this ratchet. All things considered. So, I think next, I'm going to try something a little more oomph on this thing. See what that does.